welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna talk about how to apply your makeup in the correct order. People always wonder which one should they apply first, their foundation first or their eye makeup first. It's all personal reference. There is a definite debate on which one should we apply first, the eyes or the foundation. Personally, I like to do the foundation first. If I apply my eyeshadow and my brow first, it won't be easy for me to apply my foundation and my concealer close to my eyes. And if I don't have a color match or a perfect match to my skin tone, my makeup can look really messy. But if I like to do a smoky eyes, or when I know a palette that I'm using gonna have a lot of fallout and I don't want the fallout gonna ruin my base, then I do my eye makeup first. I usually break down my makeup routine in 5 easy steps. So if you know what my steps are and how to apply your makeup in a correct order, please keep watching. When it comes to layering your makeup, you need to consider the texture first. Cream, gel, and liquid products should be applied before any powder to avoid any powdering. So use this as your starting point and build on it and customize it according to what works best for you. So usually after cleansing, toning, and moisturizing my skin, I usually let my skincare products absorb in my skin for at least half an hour. To get a flawless base, it starts with primer. If you don't know what a primer is, just think of it as a base coat for your makeup. It's gonna help the foundation to glide on easier. It smooths out your skin textures and even out your skin tone. It's gonna help to prolong your makeup. You choose the primer according to your skin type. I have oily skin, so I tend to go with any primer that helps to control my oil. For any dry skin out there, you need to find a primer that's gonna add more hydration to your skin. So today, I'm gonna use the Boring Extra Matte Ultra Mattify Primer with Shine Control. With any mattify primer, I don't like to use it all over my face. I like to keep my makeup matte, but I like the rest of my makeup gonna have a little bit dewy to it. So I only apply it on my T-zone where I get the most shine. And if you have large pore in this area, you can go with another primer on top of this to fill in any pores if that's what you want. After primer is foundation. Foundation helps to create an even, uniform color to your complexion. It covers any flaw on your face, and sometimes it can be used to change the natural color of your skin tone. Every foundation is different depending on its coverage, the formula, and the finish of the foundations. So it's important to understand those differences so you can find the best match for your skin. And the foundation that I'm using today is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with the SPF of 15. Grab your magic marker because it is time to conceal. Concealer or color corrector is used to conceal any dark circle underneath your eyes, any age spots, any large pore, or any other blemishes that you have on your skin. It is similar to foundation, but thicker. For any concealer, it is best to choose the shade of the concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, so it can help to brighten your under eyes. And sometimes the concealer can be used as a primer for your eyes makeup. Concealer is used to hide any pigments by blending out the imperfection to the surrounding skin tone. While there's a variety of concealer texture out there in the market, you always go for anything that has the word beautiful coverage on it. It just means that it can be sheer out enough to cover any imperfections, or you can layer upon itself to cover any zit or any blemishes. The concealer that I'm using today is Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Some people tend to crease a little bit underneath their eyes, so make sure to set your concealer right after it. Today, I'm gonna use the Marc Coconut Perfecting Setting Powder. Setting concealer is gonna help to prevent the concealer from sinking into your fine lines. It's also gonna help to prolong your wear time. And it's also helped to absorb any excess oil on my skin. Typically, I apply the setting powder on anywhere that I apply the concealer. Now I'm gonna let the setting powder sit there on my skin and start working on my eyes area. I'm not done with my face yet, but by doing the eyes right now, it's gonna give me a better idea how much bronzer and how much blush I'm gonna apply, so my makeup not gonna get too crazy. First, I'm gonna shape and fill in my brow. I'm gonna use my eyebrow as a guide to do my eyes. A well-groomed and shaped brow will help to frame the eye socket. It's gonna also give you a better, clearer arch to work with when you apply your eyeshadow or when you want to contour the eyes. When I get the shape that I want, then I go in with my eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow today, I'm gonna use the Morphe Time Jaclyn Hill The Vault collection. This is the Ring the Alarms palette. I already did a review of this whole collections. I will put it up there for you to check it out. I like to apply my eyeshadow before my liners and my mascara because for two reasons. Number one is because it's easier to apply eyeshadow with bare lashes. Second, you're gonna know how much mascara or eyeliner you're gonna apply to complement the eyes look. Now I have some of my eyes done. I did not complete my eyes yet because I leave the mascara for the last because I don't want any powder still on my face, or when I use another powder on top, I don't want any powder gonna get into my mascara or get to my lashes, so I usually finish my mascara last. So at this point right now, I'm gonna dust up any setting powder that's still on my face. That's why I like to do mascara last, because any powder that left over is gonna pop into my mascara and it's gonna be so sticky. Once your foundation is in place, you can scrub your face with contouring palette or bronzer. Today I'm just gonna use the bronzer. I'm gonna use the Marc coconut setting powder. This one is natural enough for me to use as a contour as well, so I'm gonna use it to contour my face today. Bronzer gonna add warmth and definition to your face. After bronzer, I'm gonna highlight my face. Today I'm gonna use the Ambient Metallic Strobe Lightning palette. Highlight gonna add a little bit glow to my skin, so I'm gonna add it on the top of my cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid bows, and in the inner corner of my eyes. I also highlight my brow a little bit. And after highlighting, I'm gonna use the blush. Today I'm gonna use the Burst Bead blush in the shade Toasted Cinnamon. Blush gonna add a little bit freshness and a little bit color to your makeup. And I like to use blush after my highlighter because I want everything gonna melt together and you just cannot see where's the highlight and the blush start. I'm just gonna apply the blush at the apple of my cheek. Now when you're done with all the powdering on your face, the last step and the most important step in your makeup is setting spray. Setting spray is like a top coat for your makeup. It's gonna melt all the powder away, so it's gonna help your makeup gonna last longer. It also helps to prevent your makeup from creasing, smudging, or fading too quickly. Now while my setting spray works its magic, I'm not gonna go back and finish my eyes. Now I'm gonna apply my mascara and I'm gonna put on some lashes. Now for the cherry on top, the lippies, it comes last because they tie the look together. That is it for my video today. I hope this video how to apply your makeup in the correct order is helpful for you. You can customize these steps to what works best for you. Let me know in the comment down below what your thoughts are. Do you use these steps, or what step do you use? Which one should I add more to make my makeup better? I love to hear your thoughts. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so I can let you know when I upload a new video like this one or when I review new beauty products. I hope you have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!